Hey guys, today we're looking at the science fair problem. In this data sufficiency, we're being asked how many discrete number of the 900 students at the school attended all 3 days. And we can surmise that they're going to come at us by giving us different breakdowns of how different groups of students behaved. And so most likely we're going to need more than one piece of information to come together in order to give us the precise amount. The only way typically that we would have a single piece of information be sufficient is if they gave us the inverse and told us how many or what percentage or what fraction of students didn't attend on all 3 days, where we could then compute the opposite. Let's take a look. Number one is telling us that 30% or 270 of the students attended 2 or more days. If we break this up into a chart, we see this block that's undefined, but we know that 270 attended either 2 days or 3 days. Some mix of them, but we don't know that mix. Therefore, this doesn't give us what we need from the box, and it's insufficient. However, we could use it possibly with other information that distinguishes between the 2-day visitors and the 3-day visitors. Number two gives us relative information based upon some other number. 10% of those that attended at least 1 day. That means of all those that attended at all, for 1 day, for 2 days, for 3 days, 10% of those belong in the 3-day box. However, we don't know how many students that is. So 2 is insufficient. When we try and combine them, notice that the information from 2 slices and dices a piece of information that 1 doesn't give us. There's no way to reconcile the 10% from that big group into the group that just attended 2 days or 3 days. Therefore, we don't have enough information. The answer choice is E. Both together are still insufficient. Hope this helped, guys. Thanks for watching. For other examples of DS problems where you can make charts to kind of fill in the blanks and find the square you need, check out the links below, and we'll see you again soon.